Hi, I'm Julia with Von Tobel, and today we're going to talk about rustic hickory from KraftMaid. So this is a natural rustic hickory, meaning you are going to see all that is offered with a hickory wood. You get knots, you have mineral streaks, you've got beautiful features that you really just can't get from anywhere else. So this rustic hickory is a big popular item in our showroom. We would love to show you some more accessories as well. We've got some knife block pullout. This has a spot for cutting boards. You've got straws in the middle, which you drop your knives down in. You have a utensil bin at the bottom that's stainless, so easy to pull out and clean. The knife straws, the reason why this is more efficient for a knife than a knife block is that the polymer straws do not dull your knives. So when you use a wood knife block, as you pull it in and out, you're actually dulling your knife, and this does not do that. So that is why these polymer options are chef's choice as far as that goes. We have two deep drawer bases. I'm going to show you this one first. This deep drawer base has dividers in it. These dividers are adjustable. There's multiple slots that you can slide them into. So this would work great if you had casserole dishes or muffin tins that you want to be able to store vertically. You can do that with this, as well as organizing maybe your baking containers for flour and baking soda, things like that. And then the two shallow drawers on top are great for storing things like your baking items that go along with that. Rolling pins, maybe it's mixing cups, stuff like that can be organized in here well, and it's not taking up a whole other cabinet. In this one, you'll see that the drawer has no dividers, giving you a large deep drawer with lots of storage options. So you have two options with a 3 drawer that has the deep drawer on the bottom. You have dividers or no dividers. And then at the end, we have our tray divider pullout. It's got chrome dividers in it. You can put cutting boards, cookie sheets. This one is not quite wide enough for those muffin tins, but you can fit a lot of cookie sheets and cutting boards on this one. On the back side of the island, we have added 18-inch deep full height door cabinets on the back for bonus storage. They've used a dishwasher end panel with outside corner molding at the end to create a column leg. And then we have the MSI quartz countertop in perla white with a quarter round top edge only. The overhang on this is deep enough that you can actually slide your stool almost all the way under and prevents that tripping hazard that sometimes bar stools do offer. If this is a space that you would love to create in your home, go to vontobels.com and request a design consultation.